Hello, welcome to the channel. This week we're on a Royal Caribbean Harmony of the Seas. We're on deck 9 at the forward end here. You can see here on the map here, the room is 9130. It is an ocean view room. See, it's on deck 9, 9130. As we enter the room, you'll see here on the right, we do have our light area here. You have to have a key card in to get the lights to turn on. And showing you a map here on the door. Once again, the little red dot here is where we're at, slightly below the bridge. Not too far from the elevators. Right here is the elevators. About a 2-minute walk, maybe not even 2 minutes, probably 1.5 minutes. And we swing back around here on the right hand side. You have your thermostat here and the bathroom here. It does have the glass door, the plastic door, so no shower curtain, which is nice for the shower here. You have your shampoo and body wash in the shower here. A few shelves here on the right hand side, and then your toilet and your sink area here, and then a full mirror here. Also on the right hand side, you have a lot of storage in the room, being an ocean view room, not a balcony room or a junior suite, but a lot of storage as far as for the size of room, which is nice. But you have the hangers here, and you have another rod here to pull down if you want to do additional storage for hanging clothes. And then also on the right hand side, you have your couch. Going on in, you have another closet here, a couple nice sized drawers here, and then in here you're going to have some shelving. It looks like 5 shelves, and then you have this area here where you can do some additional hanging of clothes here. And then you have your safe here in the closet also. Let's just swing around here. You do have a full length mirror here. And then the desk area right here with 2 USBs and 3 American plug-ins and 1 European. You have a light switch here for the mirror above the desk. And then to the right of the desk, you have storage area here on top with 5 additional drawers here. A larger drawer and some smaller drawers here on the right, 4 of those. And you do have your cooler / refrigerator here. Sometimes they act like a refrigerator, sometimes they're just cool. This one's not too bad, it's fairly cool. So, like I said, with storage over here at the closets, 2 drawers, and then with these drawers here, quite a bit of storage space. And then one thing we do is we keep our suitcases, once we unpack them, underneath the bed. They slide under there real good, so that keeps them out of the way and increases the size of the room. As we enter on in, you have the bed here. On each side, you have a couple lamps you can turn on at night if you need some lighting. Right here. And you have a switch here too that turns on the lights throughout the room. So once you get in bed, if you want to turn the lights off, once you get over here, you have that master switch right here, which is nice. Like I said, plug in there, a little nightstand here. Coming on back around, you have TV here, a little storage area underneath. Nice thing about these TVs, they swing out. So if you're sitting over on the couch or even at the desk, you can get a view of the TV from that area also. And then really the rest of the room, not a whole lot with it being an ocean view, not a balcony or a junior suite. So you have your window here and looks out. That's this room actually has a balcony on the left hand side. This is the first room without a balcony. So no area out here, so you don't have people out there outside your window or anything like this. We're at Port of Galveston this week, so quick view of the port here. There's a nice good sized window. It's not a tiny circle, so you can actually look out and see the ports and stuff like that. You do have your phone here, another nightstand, another lamp, and then one thing, let's check. I don't think these phones have it. Some of these newer phones, this does not. Has a USB on it where you can plug a phone in and charge it at night next to the bed. You get your curtains here, so you can close off the porthole here. And that's really about it. Swing back around, give you one more shot of the room as a whole. Like what you saw, do me a favor, give me that thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. Also, invite you to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our future content. I've got a couple other room tours on Harmony. One in the Junior Suite, one also a Ocean View Balcony Suite Stateroom, and I'll leave the links to those in the description below. Also invite you to comment down below if you've been on the ship, what you think of the rooms, what your favorite room, what your favorite location room is, and leave those in the comments below, and we will see you on the next one.